I'm going to be very political. If we change the faces in the White House, we're on the road to recovery.
You think it's that simple?
I believe it's that simple. We need leadership. We need cheerleading. We need encouragement. We need businessmen and fat cats to feel like they're doing something good, not that they're villains and not that they're criminals. America's best days are ahead of us.
So a different person in the White House changes the entire landscape of how businesses decide to invest, changes the demand curve.
I'll give you examples. David Novak, Frank Blake, and those companies, they inspire people to go beyond where they think leadership is critical to anything you do in life. I don't know a hell of beans about taking care of a patient, but when I go down to our medical center and I'm in there, I want those people to know one thing: you're great. You can do better. We're with you. Guess what? They rise to it. They do it. Damn it, leadership is critical in anything we do in life. And this is not, I'm sorry, this is not leadership. This is politics, frankly, at its worst. Not at its best, but at its worst. And we need to fix it. Now, could Romney disappoint me? Yes, he could. But I'd like to think, based on what I've seen, but this article in the Times last week about how he made all this money, 80% of that money went to the state of Washington, the state of Oregon, and who did it go to? To the pension fund.
That article was a positive piece, I thought.
I thought so too. But anyway, look, I leave you with a parting shot. Don't sell America short. We're the greatest country on earth. We're going to get our bearings back. We're going to succeed. There's a lot of great companies out there. A little company I took over, this GeekNet. Christ, I'm looking at what's happening, and I'm saying, guess what? Things are happening.
Great.
Ken, it's great to see you. Thank you very much.
Thanks for having me.
That does it for us right now. It's time for Squawk on